You are the storm surge guy, so let's talk about that as well. Explain the difference here when we're talking islands like Jamaica and even Cuba versus like a US mainland when it comes to storm surge impacts.
Yeah, really. I'm glad you brought that up. We typically, we think a lot about this storm. What category is it? How big is it? But a big control on storm surge is the coastal profile and the coastal shape. Where we see a broad, open coastline like the US Gulf Coast, we can see these storm surges spread for hundreds of miles. When we get to the islands of, say, the Caribbean or East Asia, storm surge tends to be a lot more localized. And so that's really what we'd expect here. The big concern is if the eye of the storm or the eye wall, those most intense winds around the hurricane, if that engages with any bays or harbors where it's pushing onshore wind, storm surge could funnel in incredibly quickly in that case. In general, right now, National Hurricane Center has been forecasting 9 to 13 feet of storm surge, and that's dependent largely on the track. If the eye gets into a bay, it could be even for sure higher than that. But generally on the open coast, I think we'll see a lot of areas seeing maybe 6 to 10 feet of storm surge, which still would be catastrophic for those areas.